Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete all songs from Suno AI. If you're clearing space, starting fresh, or simply cleaning up your old AI-generated music, this video will help you do it safely, without losing anything important by mistake. I'll also show you how to properly select multiple tracks on both desktop and mobile, so you can save a lot of time, instead of deleting songs one by one. Before you begin, if there's anything you might want to keep, consider downloading or exporting it first, because permanent deletion cannot be undone. This is very important. Once something is deleted from trash, there is no recovery option, so always double-check your best creations before moving forward. Start by opening Suno and heading to your library. This is where all your generated songs are listed. Give the page a second to load, especially if you have a large collection. And make sure you're viewing the correct account or workspace, so you don't remove the wrong content. This step is often overlooked, but it's the most common mistake users make when managing multiple accounts or projects. Next, get ready to select multiple songs. On desktop, you have two main ways to do this. To select a continuous block, click the first track in the list. Then hold Shift and click the last track in the range. Everything in between will be highlighted. This method is useful when you're cleaning up large batches of similar or older songs in one go. To pick individual tracks that aren't next to each other, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac, and click each song you want. You can mix these methods to fine-tune your selection. This is especially helpful if you only want to delete test tracks but keep your best creations. On mobile, long press any song to enter selection mode. Once you're in that mode, simply tap the other songs you want to include. If you need to deselect something, tap it again. Mobile users often find this easier because it gives a clear visual selection system. With your tracks selected, move them to the trash. Look for the trash icon, or open the three-dot menu and choose Move to Trash. Confirm if a prompt appears. This step only places the songs in the trash area. They're not permanently deleted yet, which is actually a safety feature in case you change your mind or select the wrong items. Immediately after, to finish the cleanup, open the trash view using the icon at the top right. Inside Trash, repeat the selection process. On desktop, use Shift for ranges, or Control or Command for individual picks. On mobile, long press to enter selection mode, then tap the others you want to remove. Think of this as your final review stage before permanent deletion. When you're sure about the selection, choose Delete Permanently. Suno will warn you that this action is irreversible. Always read this warning carefully, because this is the point of no return. Confirm to complete the deletion. Depending on how many items you're removing, it may take a moment as the system processes the batch removal. When you're done, you can refresh your library in Trash to verify everything is clear. If you ran into any hiccups, a quick page reload usually helps. And a stable internet connection is important when handling large batches. If something doesn't disappear immediately, don't worry, it usually syncs after refresh. That's the full process for deleting all songs from Suno AI, safely and thoroughly. Once you get used to this workflow, you can quickly manage your library anytime, and keep your workspace clean and organized without clutter.